Welcome back to another video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this little short video, short and sweet. And I do want to say it's really impacted with information at the end, so please stay until the end. Stay tuned for another video after this. Hopefully, because I'm trying to drop things much faster than I really am right now. So enjoy, and please hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the comment button, and say something nice or something negative. It doesn't matter.
We're done noticing. Look what the fuck I did. The brake pad that's supposed to be facing the rotor is facing outside. And imagine if I would have put the press in the brakes. Ain't that a bitch? So we are finally done. We got all the rotors installed, all the brake pads semi-installed. The rear brake pads on this car were really good, so we kept those, but replaced the rotors on the rear, but kept the original brake pads. The front, oh my god, they were shot. We replaced the rotors and the brake pads because it was a must. It was that bad for the front on both sides. The rear on both ends, the pads were good, but the rotors were shot. Rotors right there. Guts right here for the new ones. We're gonna save that for later. Can't believe she's coming along, and hopefully, like, the body shop will take her in pretty soon. She's coming along. I'm hoping to start wrapping her pretty soon as possible. Matter of fact, the body shop, he'll be taking her in roughly next Wednesday, hopefully by next Wednesday. I also want to tell you guys that there's a new build coming to the channel. I know it was very unexpected, but it happened. I don't know how it did, but it went through, so hey, YOLO.
Thank you so much for watching. And also, I do want to apologize. I got plenty of content. I mean, I make more than I can actually dish out. It's just the thing that I have so much I have so many things going on right now that it's really like hard for me to edit and find some time because I got to take care of all my other obligations. But I'm gonna do my best to drop at least like twice a week, if not 3 times a week. Maybe, hopefully I can do 3 times. But I appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day or night, and please keep pushing forward and make 2020 one of your best years to date.